Good afternoon. Today I'm coming to you from Las Vegas from Park MGM, one of my favorite MGM properties. Park MGM is a non-smoking casino, a rarity. It has a great location, a small but entertaining casino, and good food options. Today I am going to be showing you a Park MGM King room. Let's get to it. So this is the view right when you enter the room from the hallway. Immediately to your left, you have a bathroom which has all your needs covered. You have just a simple sink, a vanity mirror, you have your towels, you have your hair dryer. The most important part of any bathroom, you have your toilet, and here you have this beautiful reddish orange subway towel and a soaking tub, not too big but gets the job done, a rain shower. Here we go. You can take a bath, you can go to the restroom, we have you covered. So as you enter into the room, more art on the wall. You have a nice big TV if you're going to be watching any TV. You have this lovely couch in that deep reddish orange color. You have a little table, you have an armchair, more art, and then you have the king size bed. This room also comes with a sensor mini bar. Don't pick anything up, you will be charged. This mirrored vanity here, cabinet. Here you have your ironing board. Inside is the iron and also some of my luggage, so I'm not going to be opening that. But here you go. This is an Park MGM King room. So a couple of other views. Like I said, this is, I believe, if you were doing a ranking, this is a moderate MGM casino resort, sort of the mid to lower level, but it is really hard to beat Park MGM for its location, for its price, just as a jumping off point when you just want to go to Vegas and have fun, not necessarily impress anyone. But yes, guys, here you go.